This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't open up a file on your Android phone. So let's just swipe up, go to search and type in files. And we can go to files or my files, both are going to be similar. Now we can go to the file that we're having an issue with. So you're probably going to be going to documents or something like that, or downloads. So let's go to downloads, and here I have Epic Games APK, so we can just hold down on it now. And you can see I have these different options on it. We want to try to open this up with a different file. So we can go to the application, go to more, and we want to open this up with a different application. So we can update the application here too, and that's not going to do anything. So we can try open this up. Now this is an APK file, so not going to do anything if I go to open with, because there's no other application for me to open this up with. But we can just try this out. Open with. And I have different applications now. So I can open it up with files by Google, Spotify because it's a music file, it's an MP3 file. And then I can go on down, I have this VCF file. So that's maybe one thing you can just do if you can see like the last like three letters here, VCF. We could try typing that VCF. Maybe we can find a file that will actually open that up. So I can go to this. This is just my contacts open with. I can see all the different options under here. Contacts, ChatGPT. So you might have to download something that will open up all these different files. Now, if we go to the Google Play Store, one of the good ones is VLC player right here. And if for some reason your phone isn't opening up like a video or an audio file, this one will play multiple files across a wide different spectrum. Access formats from AVI to OGG, never heard of those before, but just get VCL player, and then when you're under files you can try opening it up with that one and just see if that works. But just try different applications opening it up with. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.